Okay.
And inside the box, there were two things. And one said Kyle, and one said Colleen. And it's from Pop and Grams. They sent you Hanukkah presents.
Let's see it.
I don't know. Open it up and see what they gave you.
I can't open mine. Oh. I got a fire truck.
Whoa. Colleen, open yours.
Wow. Open Colleen.
Open Colleen's. Go ahead, open it.
I can.
Come on,
Yes, you
Colleen.
can.
You can do
I
it.
can help.
No, she can do
She
it.
can do it.
Oh. We got people.
What is that, Colleen?
People. Animals or something.
Back up, buddy. Colleen, what is that?
Puppies.
A puppy.
Open.
Okay, rip the paper.
Open it. Rip it open.
Pull the paper off.
Open this box open. How does this box open? Open the box.
Hold on. Wait till Colleen's done.
Let her open her present. Kyle.
What?
Stop that.
Why did Papa and Graham say that?
For Hanukkah. What do you say to Papa Graham?
Thank you.
Colleen, what do you say to Papa and Graham's for your present? Thank you.
What are these for us?
Do you like the doggy, Colleen?
Open. I can't. Can I flash
You
this?
can't open? Do you like the doggy?
Can I flash this, Mom?
Yes, go ahead. Let's see it. Whoa, cool, Kyle.
You want to see next one?
Oh, Daddy will open it for you, okay?
Hey, I'll open it.